Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pin an Instagram note to the top of the page. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is go ahead and open up the App Store and search for Instagram. Open up the App Store, find the application itself, download it and open it up. So once you have logged in to your Instagram account that you want to use, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. This is how it looks, and now we can get started pinning whatever we want. So basically guys, what we can do is open up our chats to be able to pin whatever we want. So here in the upper right corner you can open up your chats options, and by clicking the chat options it's going to enable you to go ahead and find whatever chat you want to pin. So as you can see, now we have multiple chats right here that we can use for pinning. And basically guys, if you want to make a note, here's what you can do. You can click on the note option right here at the top of the screen. By clicking your note, it's going to enable you to post any note that you want, and it's automatically going to be pinned to your profile. But if you just want to go ahead and pin a chat to the top of the page, what you can do is select any chat, and once you select the chat, it's going to go ahead and enable you to select the options from that chat. So you can see you have the pin option right here. By holding the chat for a long time, by long holding it, it's going to open up this menu from where you can get started selecting pin, and this is going to pin your chat to the top of the page and you can get started messaging people, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.